In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to use AI to find gaps in your existing blog content. Whether you're trying to improve SEO or make your blog more comprehensive, identifying content gaps is a crucial step. You've probably spent hours trying to figure out what's missing in your posts, but what if you could automate this process and get AI to do the heavy lifting? The first step is understanding that AI can scan your content and compare it against the top ranking pages for your target keywords. The tool I'll be showing you today analyzes your blog post in real time and highlights areas where competitors are covering topics that you haven't. It's basically like having an extra pair of eyes reviewing your content and pointing out where you're missing the mark. To begin, all you need to do is paste your blog content into the AI software. From there, you'll input your target keywords, and the software will generate a report showing which key topics or questions aren't being addressed in your current content. This can be incredibly valuable because it saves you time by narrowing down what exactly needs to be added to your posts. Next, the AI doesn't just stop at identifying gaps, it provides suggestions for content improvements. The software might suggest adding more in-depth explanations, referencing current trends, or linking to additional authoritative sources. This helps make your blog more relevant and engaging, which can improve your search engine rankings and user engagement. Now, let's talk about how the AI tool evaluates your content against competitors. It looks at things like word count, content structure, and keyword usage. This allows you to spot gaps not just in topics, but also in the way your content is presented compared to others in your niche. For example, if top-ranking posts have a clear FAQ section, but yours doesn't, AI will point that out, allowing you to easily add it. The best part? The software I'm using today offers an exclusive free trial for viewers of my channel. If you want to follow along with this tutorial, you can access the free trial by clicking the link in the description below. This is a limited time offer, so be sure to take advantage of it while you can. So, to recap, first, you'll input your blog content and target keywords. Then, the AI tool will show you which topics are missing and provide suggestions on how to improve your post. Lastly, using AI to analyze and compare your content with top competitors will give you a huge edge in creating more comprehensive, higher-ranking content. Before I close off, I strongly recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description if you want to see this process in action and start improving your blog content today. Key takeaway: using AI to find gaps in your blog content is a game changer for boosting your SEO and ensuring your posts are thorough and engaging. Make sure to use the free trial linked in the description to get started right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.